Guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It is another amazing opportunity for each and every one of us to be here. For the past few days, I've been discussing on the scalp trading strategy for trading boom and crash on 30-minute time frame. Okay, and we've been looking at the normal trend, which is the one that is not having the spike with it. Okay, we've been looking at the normal trend for the past two to 3 days. We've done that on boom and on crash. Okay, but in this video we're going to be looking at the other way around, which is going to be the spiky part of it. Okay, so you just need to stay tuned just for you to understand how to go with this. This is very easy to do and you're going to love every part of it. So just stay tuned and watch this video to the end. But before I go fully into that, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? And do not forget to turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you all will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said, we've checked out the normal trend for both boom and crash, and we saw how we can trade this asset successfully on 30-minute time frame. And we are not even saying you should trade for a very long time, because even if you scalp trade, it is very easy for you to achieve your daily targets without any hiccups. Okay, and that is why we ask you to use 30-minute time frame, because this will give you more assurance in what you are doing. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, and I will be taking the chart down to 30-minute time frame just for us to see what is really happening within the market, and also for us to take good advantage of the market whenever we have the opportunity to do so. So like I always tell you, all these assets are trend trading assets. You need to know the exact trend to trade them, and you need to know when to go into the market. Okay, so all these are very, very important. Once you know all these, then you are good to go. Okay, for instance, this is just starting a downtrend. How do I know? It is coming up from a major resistance zone. Okay, and of course the candle pattern has shown that it is going on downtrend, and you can see the 4MA candle, it has gone below the 4MA candle, so which means it is going to be selling for a while. And definitely the final way to know using this setup on the chart is this. Using this, you can see that it is just already showing red. Okay, so which means we will be having more of a selling opportunity than a spiky period around this region. But how do we trade the spiky part of it, since that is what we are focusing more on? This is boom 1000, and so this is going to work for all the booms. Okay, so the first thing you need to know is to know the exact trend to trade it and the best trend to trade it. Okay, so the exact trend to trade the spiky to go into the market to trade the spiky part of boom is when the market is on uptrend. Remember, I'm discussing about boom in this video, okay, not crash. Okay, so only when the market is on uptrend, that is when you can trade the spiky part of it. Okay, that is when you can buy the spiky part of it, because you will be seeing more of the spikes happening around it there. Okay, so that is very, very important. Then you should know that a buying trade should start from the support trend, so from the support region, most especially a major support region. Check out this. Okay, here is a major support region, here is a major support region, and you can see that the market kept on spiking. It was spiking. Check it out from here. You can see right from here, from this region up to this region, you can see the way the market was just spiking and spiking and spiking. Okay, so these are some of the things you should take note of whenever you are trading. Okay, because this is happening right here because the market is on uptrend, was on uptrend around this region. You can see the green color right here, so it shows the market was on uptrend around that region. Here is another good example coming from a support zone, and you can see the spiky part of it. Not that the bearish candles are not being created, but they are not much within this region because the market is more of an uptrend than a downtrend. So you see more of the spiky period. Then in short, it is even more risky for you to sell at this particular point, because you can never say you can be trapped in the market for a very long time, and if your capital is not strong enough or the lot size you are using for it is not good enough for your capital to control it, then you can wipe off the rest of your capital even before you get to your take profit or before you get back to your entry point. So that is very, very important. So that is why it is always important you know every bit of this before you decide on what to do. Okay, that is very, very important. So your support zone is important, but the most important aspect of it is your trend. Once you know the right trend to trade it, then that is when you will be in the market. Of course, the market now is going back into downtrend, so I don't I mean, if I were you, I'm not going to go for a spiky trading right here, because it's going to be more of a bearish period than a bullish period. So I don't even need to disturb myself trying to trade the spikes, because it can be tiring. It can leave you hanging for a very long time. Okay, so I would rather go for the normal trend than to trade the spike within this region, because the market is on downtrend at the moment as we speak right now. But when the market was on uptrend, it is very easy for you to, in short, it will look like you have gotten the key to spike trade. If you don't really know that the trend of the market was what was favoring you at that particular point, it will look like you've gotten it all. Okay, but once you understand this, then you will be able to say when to trade the spiky period of boom and when not to trade it. Okay, this is one major thing that you should know, that will help you to know when to go into the market and when to exit the market. And when you are going into the market, you will know what to trade at that particular point and what not to trade. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. I'll make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Okay, I believe you've gotten quite a lot of information from this video. Make sure you go back to your chart and practice everything that I have I have explained in this video, so that you can have a perfect trading opportunity. So guys, I will be stopping right here. If you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? Do not forget to turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you all will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.